Ukukhala. Ukuthula. Oh, ubuza ukuthi kwenzakalani njengamanje. It's a waste of time because I don't understand why. Why?
You really want to know why?
Why?
It's because I love you, Ayanda. Ngizokwenza ngakho konke okusemandleni ami ukuthi ngiyakufikela njengoba kwakho.
If you care and love me, ngiyekele ngibe no-Emily.
I said you cannot play her, Ayanda. Who's going to fucking engqondweni yakho?
Mushintshe. Yes. I don't believe you.
Ayanda mntanami. Things seyisikhathi uthulalela ubaba wakho manje mntanami.
Listen to what, mother. You don't understand. I love Emily and ufuna ukuba nayo. Emily is not your type, Ayanda. Really? So, ubangeke type yakho.
I was pregnant, Ayanda. I was pregnant, a child of a bastard who promised me a job but never delivered to his promises. One day he took me to his apartment so that we can talk about the job. Instead, he harassed me, touched my private part in a very uncomfortable way. I tried to shout. I tried to scream. I tried to ask for help and push him away, but he took out the gun and pointed straight on my head. Tell me what to do, Emily. I'm the driver.
No, Emily. No.